Sal-aħħar tas-sena il-Qorti Ewropea tal-Awdituri se jkollha l-membri tagħha kważi kollha ġodda biex dak tan-nominat Malti Leo Brincat kien skrutinju wieħed minn sensiela li qegħdin isiru biex il-Kumitat tal-Baġit tal-Parlament Ewropew jiskrutinja il-kandidati. Igor Soltes, membru tal-Parlament Ewropew u rapporter tal-Kumitat li jagħmel din evalwazzjoni, iddeskriva lil Brincat bħala kandidat interessanti. Dan minħabba l-esperjenza li għandu.
I mean, he was, I would say, most interesting candidate because so many things raised before his presentation. Yes. Also in Maltese media, we saw some information about his role, about his activities. Because when you are minister, when you are MEP, when you have so many functions, when your life is really rich on the public and the private sector, then sometimes could be a little ununderstandable in some cases how is it compatible.
Ġudizzju pożittiv ukoll minn Ines Ayala Sender, koordinatriċi tas-Soċjalisti u Demokratiċi f'dan il-Kumitat, li deskrivit bħala eċċellenti il-wirja ta' Brincat.
I think that he made an excellent hearing. He was very open, even I would say more open than in this kind of very formal hearings it's the case. I think that he answered very openly and very frankly the questions made by the rapporteur, who were the key issues.
Fuq kollox in-nomina tal-Prim Ministru Malti kienet imfaħra wkoll għaliex Brincat ħadem ukoll bħala Ministru tal-Ambjent.
For me personally it was important that he has also experience from the environmental sector because we have to take care also about our future generation, about our planet, not only from regularity controlling system but also from the efficiency and the results. Yes, because now it's time to measure results. Because even sometimes you work in accordance with the law and the legislation maybe is not very efficient way.
Wara l-Kumitat ta' Tlieta issa l-attenzjoni ddur fuq is-sessjoni plenarja tal-ġimgħa d-dieħla. Mument importanti tajt il-membru tal-Parlament Ewropew Mirjam Dalli.
Huwa importanti li jkollok it-timbru tal-Kumitat tal-Kont li huwa l-Kumitat responsabbli għall-kandidatura ta' Leo Brincat f'dan il-każ. Huwa importanti għaliex hemmhekk tkun qed tara wkoll il-Kumitat fejn ikun sejjer. Issa wara dan il-vot fil-Kumitat ikun imiss anki il-vot tal-Parlament kollu kemm hu. Gost li Leo Brincat kellu hearing tajjeb ħafna, huwa politiku lilu ħafna, huwa politiku serju u rett, u naħseb li dawn il-kwalitajiet ħarġu u deru matul is-smigħ li kellu.